I have this one. Is it too big? Here, this. And if we are going to make a charm, the bigger cross to what's the mini? How much pro? This pro is not for sale at this moment. Yeah. So here, let's try. If you want to make it as a charm, to make it to a bracelet. Here, let's see. I normally make this kind of the charm, not to make it too much complicated. To make a cute bracelet. You want, let me check your question again. Magnolia, the pro price, let me check after my life. Here I'm not sure how much. Yeah. Let me see. Could you show a cute way to make a pro charm pendant with a square pendant? Okay. I think if we make it to a pendant. Last time I think I make it a cute pendant on a piece that, let me think. Let me think the tutorial. You can check the tutorial, this one. We have a tutorial in the page. Remember, it's used a very simple and easy way to make heart. Oh. You can check this one. We are fold the wire like this. Yeah. I will make it one more time to show you here. Okay. I remember before I forgot. Okay, so it's this way to make. Fold it here and tight it at this part. Then fold it to like a heart shape. And then wrap it. And bend it. So it's make it a heart shape like this. Okay, here. Go through the piece. Okay. It's very easy wrapper for this heart. I think we can make it depend on the shape of the pearl and maybe make it a little bigger. Okay, here. This is the way that's simple made. Yeah, simple made technique. If you want more complicated, maybe we can wrap it with on the side and to make it. This is the way I think most easy way. Here, make it. If you don't want to make the heart, we can make the some other shape. But I think heart is the most people like. It's the shape most people they like. Here. Okay, so this one is the charm that we make. The back is with a wire. Here. Okay, this is the way.